Good night. My name is Edwin Ivan Cruz Franco, Program Administrative Assistant in Health, Instructor Ivan David Castellanos, Activity, activity Presentation of the Tourist Place of your region. The Montserrat is a hill located to the east of the Colombian capital district, which is home of the most recognizable formation of the Bogota Savannah, as well as one of symbols of the city. It can be reached on foot, by car or by funicular. The funicular on your way allows you to admire the beautiful under landscape that serves as rook accompanied by the relaxing sound of the birds. Casa San Isidro restaurant, Bogota enjoy the best restaurant with a French menu in the city. Craft Corridor in Monserrate is possible to acquire the beautiful and main souvenir made by families of different ethnic groups in the country. The Via Crucis of Cerro de Montserrat, which represents the Passion of Christ, is adorned with beautiful images brought from Florence. Basilica of Lord Montserrat is is located at the top of the Montserrat Hill. The basilica, inaugurated in 1920, is a pilgrimage sanctuary that is part of the Archdiocese of Bogota. It contains great myths and legends about its construction and developed, besides being a tourist city bar for excellence. Sure. Montserrat transmits peace and tranquility. Is a place that has excellent restaurants, offers its visitors the possibility of adquiring beautiful handicrafts, and offers a wonderful panoramic view of the entire city and its surroundings. I chose Montserrat because it's a place of great importance for believers, both Colombians and people of faith around the world. Going to Montserrat allows you to be in contact with nature, and with yourself, since when here are so not many tourists, it is usually empty and very quiet. Well, thank you. This is